Very good morning, students. In the last lecture, we derived the derivation for electric field intensity at a point outside the charged sphere. In this lecture, I am going to solve the numerical based on that particular derivation. Students, let us read the numerical first. Let me write the data and then we will try to solve the numerical. Students, let us read the numerical. A sphere of radius 10 centimeter. Students, the charge sphere whose radius is 10 centimeter. As I told you, charge sphere of radius so and so is represented by what? Capital R. Carries a charge. So students, the value of charge on that sphere is also given. The value of Q is also given. We have to find three things. Out of that, first let me solve the first thing. Calculate the electric field at a distance of 30 centimeter. So students, distance of that particular point is 30 centimeter. So small r is provided. Let us write down the data. So students, capital R is given. We have to convert into a centimeter. As I told you, 1 centimeter equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So that's why 10 centimeter equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Base is same, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Students, value of charge is also given, 1 microcoulomb. As I told you, micro means what? 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. We have to find the electric field intensity of that particular point which is at a distance of 30 centimeter from the center of the sphere. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Again, I have to multiply by 10 raised to minus 2. So that what answer will be in meter. That means 30 means what? 3 into 10 raised to 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Students, we know the formula for electric field intensity at a point. So what is the formula, students? As I told you, as I derived in the last lecture, E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Students, here medium is not mentioned. If medium is not mentioned, dielectric constant is always be considered as what? 1. If it is not mentioned, that means medium is always air or vacuum. And in air and vacuum, K value is always 1. That's why epsilon equals to epsilon naught K. So epsilon equals to epsilon naught. Okay. So students, let me write down the formula. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, you know that from 11 standard 9 into 10 raised to 9. So I will put here 9 into 10 raised to 9. What is the value of Q? Students, we provided over here 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. And small r, students, here I am not going to put the value of capital R. I am going to put the value of small r. Okay, so what is small r here? 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. So students, let me solve. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. This is simple mathematics. This minus 1 will come in numerator, become plus 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. So 3 into 10 raised to 4. Or unit of this particular electric field. Unit of electric field is what? Newton per coulomb. Okay, students, let us continue with the same thing. We have to find second thing. What we have to find second thing, students? At the surface of the sphere. At the surface of the sphere. Students, at the surface of the sphere means what? Students, from this particular given, small r equal to what? Capital R. Okay, students, so next step, I will replace this in a particular formula, small r by what? Capital R. So electric field at a distance of r. So here I have written, instead of small r, I have written capital R. R equals to what? Capital R. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, value is 10 raised to minus 9 into 10 raised to 9. What is the value of Q, students? 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. What is capital R, students, over here? Students, little bit mistake I have done. Here R square is there. So I have to write 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 one more time. Means here 3 3s are 9. So 3 3 get cancelled. So what's the final answer of electric field? Minus 1 will come in the numerator become what? Plus 1. So 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb. Here I have to take R twice. R into R. Okay, students? Let us continue with the next sum. Here also R square is there. What is capital R? 10 raised to minus 1. Square means what? I am going to write twice. 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 1. So what's the final answer, students? This minus 1 will come in the numerator. Become plus 1. So minus 1 become plus 2. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 into 10 raised to minus 6. What is final answer? 9 into 10 raised to 11 minus 6. 5. 9 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, students. The third thing we have to find out, electric field intensity at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. Students, let us just imagine the charge sphere. The radius of this charge sphere is what, students? R is what? How much? It is given 10 centimeter. And we have to find the electric field intensity at 5 centimeter from the center. So students, 5 centimeter is less than 10 centimeter. The small r is less than capital R. The condition given over here is what? R is what? Less than capital R. That is small r. Okay. So students, that means point is inside the sphere, charge sphere, and electric field inside the charge sphere is always 0 Newton per Coulomb. Hope so you understood the numerical. Thank you very much.